Hello students, let's continue algebra exercise 13E. Page number 160. We are on question 13 where we continue to simplify algebraic expressions in the form of fractions. So let's begin. So here we have x, we'll write it as x by 1 plus we're given x by 2 plus x by 3. So here addition of fractions just like regular fractions. So here we have to find the LCM, and since we have 1, 2 and 3 as the denominators, we need to take the LCM of 2 and 3, and both 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So the LCM will be a product of this. So 2 into 3 is 6. So the prime number here, 2 and 3 prime numbers, the product will give you the LCM. So the LCM is 2 3s are 6. So we're going to use that and continue. Now 1 into 6 is 6. So let's multiply x into 6. X into 6 will give us 6x plus, going on to the next denominator, 2 3s are 6. So multiply x into 3. X into 3 is 3x plus next one, 3 2s are 6, so multiply x into 2. X into 2 is 2x. So now let's add up all this. Add up only the numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we get 11x by 6. So our answer here is 11x by 6. Question 14. So here again we have algebraic expressions in the form of fractions. So let's write it down. Y plus 5 by 5 plus, we have y by itself. So let's give it the denominator 1 minus 19y by 15. So let's find the LCM of 5 and 15. So 5 and 15. Starting with 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. And we can continue with 3, 1 and 1. So the LCM here is 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So let's use 15 as the common denominator here for all three fractions. So 15. So starting with the first denominator, 5 3s are 15. So multiply this by 3. So you get 3y plus 1 into 15. 1 into 15 gives us 15. So multiply this by 15. So y into 15 is 15y minus 15 1s are 15. So multiply this by 1. So 19y into 1 will give us 19y. So here we have a mixture of addition and subtraction. This is a plus sign. So let's do the addition first. So 3 plus 15 is 18. So that is 18y minus 19y divided by 15. Now take only the numbers 18 and 19. So this is plus 18 and minus 19. Signs are different. So put the sign in the bigger number and subtract. 19 minus 18 is 1. 1y by 15. Your final answer will be minus y by 15. Question 15. Let's write down the question with the denominators clearly. So this is x by 5 plus, this is x plus 1 by 2. So the denominators here are 5 and 2. So the LCM of 5 and 2 will be 10 because both are prime numbers. You just have to multiply the prime numbers to find their LCM. So the LCM here is 10. So let's multiply. 5 into 2 is 10. So multiply this by 2. X into 2 is 2x plus 2 into 5 is 10. So multiply this whole thing by 5. So I write it here. So when you multiply, first you multiply with this and then you multiply with this. So what do we get? 5 into x is 5x. 5 1s are 5. So this is what we have here. Let's simplify this. Now take only the x terms. So we have here 2x plus 5x. Take only the numbers 2 and 5. So that will be 2 plus 5 is 7. 7x plus 5 divided by 10. So this is our final answer. 7x plus 5 by 10. Question 16. Let's write down x by 1 plus x plus 2 by 3. So here, since we only have 1 and 3 as our denominators, a common denominator will be 3. So 1 into 3 is 3, so multiply this also by 3. X into 3 is 3x plus, the next one is 3 ones are 3, so multiply this whole thing by 1. When you multiply by 1, you get back the same thing. So we can write x plus 2. So now let's simplify this. 3x plus, this is 1x. Let's add up the numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4x plus 2 by 3. We can't add up 4x and 2, isn't it? Because they are unlike terms. So that is our final answer. 4x plus 2 by 3. Next one. 3y by 5 minus y plus 2 by 2. Now look at the denominators 5 and 2. Both are prime numbers. So the LCM will simply be the product of 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. So our LCM here is 10. Now let's multiply. 5 2s are 10. So multiply this by 2. So what do we get? 3 2s are 6. 6y minus 2 into 5 is 10. So multiply this whole thing by 5. So when we multiply, let's do minus 5 into y and then minus 5 into plus 2. So minus 5 into y will give us minus 5y. Minus 5 into 2 will give us minus 5 2s are 10. So here now let's work on the y's. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1y minus 10 by 10. So we can write our final answer as y minus 10 by 10. So this is our final answer. Question 18. 2a plus 1 by 3 plus 3a minus 1 by 2. So look at the denominators 3 and 2. Both are prime numbers. So the LCM will be 3 into 2, 6. So let's use that. So 6 is a common denominator. So 3 into 2 is 6. So that means we need to multiply this whole thing by 2. So first 2 into 2a. 2 2s are 4. 4a plus 2 into 1. So 2 1s are 2. Now let's go to the next one. Now 2 3s are 6. So we have to multiply this whole thing by 3. So let's do that first. So when we multiply, we do 3 into 3a first. Okay, so plus into plus is plus itself. So the sign will remain the same. 3 3s are 9, 9a. Now we're going to multiply this into this. So plus into minus is minus. 3 into 1 is 3. So here we've got like terms 4a and 9a, and we have 2 and minus 3. So first let's work on 4a and 9a. Both are plus signs. So in your answer, the sign will be plus, and we add up. 9 plus 4 is 13, 13a. Now let's look at the numbers. So our numbers here are plus 2 minus 3. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is by 6. So let's write our final answer. 13a minus 1 by 6. 19th one. Now here we have 3. So let's be careful as we do it. K plus 1 by 2 plus 2k minus 1 by 3 minus k plus 3 by 4. So denominators are all different, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So let's do that. 2, 3 and 4. 2 1s are 2. We bring down 3. 2 2s are 4. We continue with 2 again. 1 and then 3. 2 1s are 2. Now we can go to 3. 1, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we've got 12 as our LCM. So let's use that as a common denominator. Now 2 into 6 is 12. So let's multiply this whole thing by 6. So first 6 into k. 6 into k is 6k. Then we multiply 6 into plus 1. 6 ones are 6. So that is plus 6. Now the next one, 3 4s are 12. So we multiply this whole thing by 4. So first 4 into 2k. So that is plus 4 2s are 8, 8k. Then 4 into minus 1. So plus into minus is minus, 4 ones are 4. Then we go to the next one. 4 into 3 is 12. So we multiply this whole thing by 3. So first minus 3 into k. So the sign is minus. 3 into k is 3k. Now we multiply minus 3 into plus 3. Minus into plus is minus. 3 3s are 9. So now let's work on all the k's. Let's take it to the working column. So we have 6k plus 8k minus 3k. So this will be 6 plus 8 minus 3k. So 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 3k will give us 11k. So here we have 11k. Now let's take the whole numbers. The whole numbers are 6 minus 4 minus 9. So let's take that. 6 minus 4 minus 9. So first let's add up these two. Signs are the same, so put the same sign and add. So this will be 6. This will be addition. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 13 minus 6 is 7. So here we have minus 7 and in the denominator we have 12. So this is our final answer. 11k minus 7 by 12. Question 20. So let's begin. M by 5 minus m minus 2 by 3 plus m, and we'll with the denominator 1. Now let's look at the denominators 5, 3 and 1. So we must find the LCM of 5 and 3 and they are both prime numbers. So the LCM will be 5 into 3, 15. So let's write 15 as the common denominator for all, 15. Now 5 into 3 is 15, so multiply this also by 3. m into 3 is 3m. Then we have minus, then we have 3 into 5. So let me write that, 3 into 5. So let's multiply this also by 5. So when we multiply first into this, so minus 5 into m is minus 5m. Now let's multiply minus 5 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 5 2s are 10. Let's go to the next one. 1 into 15 and so m into 15. m into 15 is 15m, so that is plus 15m. So let's look at all the m's. We have 3m minus 5m plus 15m. Let's take it to the working column. So 3m minus 5m plus 15m. So take only the numbers 3 minus 5 plus 15 and this is all m. So here we can add up the numbers with a plus sign. So these two. So 3 plus 15 is 18. Then we have minus 5m. So 18 minus 5 is 13. 13m. So here we've got 13m. And our number that is left behind is only plus 10. So plus 10 by 15. So this is our final answer. 13m plus 10 by 15. Question 21. So we already have it given to us in this form. So we have to first multiply, simplify this and then find the LCM. So let's begin by simplifying the first part. So here we have 5 into x. So that will be 5x. Then 5 into minus 4 will be minus 5 4s are 20. So we've got 5x minus 20 for the first one by 3 plus. So let's go to the next one. So the denominator here is 5. Let's multiply 2 into 5x. 2 5s are 10, 10x. Now let's multiply 2 into minus 3. Sinus minus 2 3s are 6. Next one, let's go to the third one. Denominator is 7. 6 into x is 6x. And then 6 into minus 4 is minus 6 4s are 24. Now we need to find the LCM of the denominators as they are all different. So let's find the LCM now. 3, 5 and 7. So let's begin with 3. 3 ones are 3 and then 5 and 7. Then we can go on to 5, 1, 1 and 7. Now we'll take 7. It's 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 5s are 15. 15 into 7 is 105. So that is our LCM which we are going to use here now. So 105 we're going to use as the common denominator. Now 3 into how much is 105. So let's do that here. 105 divided by 3 will tell us 3 into how much. So 3 3s are 9. I have 1 left, so that's 15. 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 35. Okay, so 3 into 35 will give us 105. That means I must multiply this whole thing by 35. So let's multiply 35 into 5x. So that is 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So here we've got 175x. Now we multiply 35 into 20. So the sign is minus. So 35 into 20. So that is, we just have to do 35 into 2, that is 70, and add the 0. So we've got 700. So here we have 700. Now let's go to the next one. Now 5 into what is 105? So let's find that out. So for that we take 105 and divide it by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 21 is 105. So let's write that here, 5 into 21. So we multiply the numerator also by 21. So first do 25 into 10. So that's easy. 21 into 10 will be 210. Now let's multiply 21 into minus 6. So that is minus, sign is minus. 21 into 6 will be 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Minus 126. Now let's go on to the third one. Now 7 into what is 105? 15. So we have to multiply this whole thing by 15. So 15 into 6. 15 into 6 is 90. So that is plus 90x. Now we multiply 15 into minus 24. The sign is minus. Let's multiply 24 into 15. So 5 4s are 20, carry 2. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 0 and 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2. Now add this up. 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. We get 360. Okay, now we need to look at all the x terms that we have. So let's look at the x terms. 175x we have here. Then we have plus 210x plus 90x. Let's take the numbers. 175, I'm taking only the numbers. Plus 210 plus 90. That means we simply have to add up all three. So 210 and 90. So that is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 7 is 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we've got 475x. Now let's look at the whole number. So here we have minus 700. Then here we have minus 126 and minus 360. And since it's all minus, we put the same sign, but we add everything. So let's add up 700 plus 126 plus 360. So here we have 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1186. So 1186, and then our denominator here is 105. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is 475x minus 1186 by 105. Question 22. Now there are three parts here, and since there's no sign between the brackets, it's understood it is multiplication. So let's take each part separately. I'll take the first one. So let's work that out. So that is p plus p by 3. So let's give this the denominator 1. So the LCM will be 3, and here it is 1 into 3. So I need to multiply this also by 3. 3 into p is 3p. Plus 3 into 1 here, so I multiplied this by 1, so that is simply p. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so that is 4p by 3. So let's write that down here first, 4p by 3. Now taking the next one, 2p plus p by 2. So give it the denominator 1, the LCM here is 2. So multiply 1 into 2, so multiply this into 2. 2 2s are 4, so that is 4p plus 2 into 1, so p into 1 is simply 1p. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5p by 2. So this is into 5p by 2. Then taking the next one, we have 3p minus 2p by 3. Let's give it the denominator 1. So the LCM is 3. So 1 into 3. So multiply this by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So that's 9p minus 3 into 1. So this into 1. 2p into 1 is 2p. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7p by 3. So here into 7p by 3. Okay, so now it's simply multiplication. So when we multiply, if there is something that we can cancel, we can look into it. So let's cancel 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. There's nothing else that we can cancel, so we're going to multiply all the numerators and see what we get. So we are going to multiply 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 7 is 70. So we have multiplied all the numbers, we got 70. Now we're going to multiply the letters. So we have 1p here, 1 here and 1 here. So that is p to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is p to the power of 3. So 70 p to the power of 3, and in the denominator we have 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is our final answer. Our final answer is 7p cubed by 70p cubed by 9, or 70p to the power of 3 by 9. 23. So here we have Bodmer's rules to be applied. We have off and we have brackets. So according to Bodmer's, B, brackets should be done first. So let's work out this. So here we have p by 3 plus 7p by 15. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So 3 and 15, let's begin with 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now we start with 5, 1 and 1. So LCM will be 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So let's use 15 as the common denominator here. And go to the first one, 3 5s are 15. So multiply this also by 5. 5 into p is 5p plus 15 into 1. So this into 1. 7p into 1 is 7p itself. So now add up the numbers. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12p by 15. So let's write that down here. Here we have 7 by 30. Of means into 12p by 15. So let's cancel what we can here. We can cancel 12 and 30 both by 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. Is there anything else that we can cancel? We can't cancel anything else, so we're going to go ahead and multiply the numerators. 7 2s are 14 and we have the letter P, and in the denominator we have 5 into 15. 15 5s are 70. So that is our final answer. What is the final answer? 14p by 75. 24. Again, here we have in brackets, we're going to first solve what is given in brackets and then we'll do the division. So let's begin with the first one. So 2p plus p by 7. Let's give it the denominator 1. The LCM will be 7. So this is into 7. So multiply this also into 7. 7 2s are 14. 14p plus 7 1s are 7. So multiply this by 1, p ones are p. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15p by 7. Now this is what we got after working out the first one. So 15p by 7. Now let's do the second one. So 9p by 10 plus 4p. Denominator is 1. LCM will be 10. Now let's multiply 10 into 1. So multiply this also by 1. 9p into 1 is 9p plus 1 into 10. So multiply this by 10. 4 into 10 is 40. 40p. So 40 plus 9. 49p by 10. So let's write it down here. Divided by 49p by 10. So this will be 15p by 7. Now this is division of fractions. So the first fraction remains the same. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of the second one. So 10 goes on top and 49p comes down. Now here, if there's something you can cancel, we can. Now I can cancel the letter p. So p is there on top and here, numerator and denominator. Is there anything else that we can cancel? Now there is nothing else that we can cancel. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 15 into 10 is 150. Now in the denominator we have 7 into 49. So let's multiply 49 into 7. 7 9s are 63, carry 6. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 is 34. So here we have the denominator as 343. So 150 by 343. Now this is our final answer. Question 25. So again we have brackets and we have division. So let's work out what's given within brackets first. So we have 5k by 8 minus 3k by 5. Let's find the LCM of the denominators, 8 and 5. 2 4s are 8. Bring down 5. 2 2s are 4. Again I bring down 5. Then 2 1s are 2 and 5. Now I can continue with 5. 1 and 1. So what is my LCM here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So my LCM is 40. So here we have 40. Let's use 40 as the LCM here. Now common denominator. So now 8 into 5. So multiply this also by 5. 5 5s are 25k. Minus 5 into 8 is 40. So multiply 3 into 8. 8 3s are 24. So here we have 25 minus 24, which is 1. 1k by 40. Or we simply write k by 40. So let's write that k by 40. This time divided by k by 4. So here the first fraction remains as it is, k by 40. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now let's see what we can cancel. We can cancel k and k. We can also cancel 4 and 40. 4 1s are 4, 4 10s are 40. So here we have 1 by 10. All the others have got cancelled. So 1 by 10 will be our final answer. Question 26. So brackets again. So let's work out what's within brackets and then do the division. So the first one will be y by 6 plus 2y by 3. So find the LCM of 6 and 3. So that is going to be 3 2s are 6 and 1. Then multiply it by 2. This time we are dividing. 2 1s are 2 and 1. So LCM will be 3 into 2, which is 6. So let's use that. 3 2s are 6. Now multiply 6 into 1. So y into 1 is simply y plus 3 2s are 6. So multiply this by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4y. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5y by 6. So let's write that down. So here we have 5y by 6 divided by, now let's work out the next one. That is y plus 2y minus 1 by 3. Let's give this a denominator 1. So the LCM will be 3. Okay, so 1 into 3. So we multiply this by 3. Y into 3 is 3y. Then here we have into 1. So we multiply this whole thing by 1. When you multiply by 1, you get back the same thing. So 2y minus 1. So here what do we have? Let's add up the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5y minus 1 by 3. So here we have that. So let's write that down. Divided by 5y minus 1 by 3. Since it's division, we're going to write the first fraction as it is, 5y by 6. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal, 3 by 5y minus 1. Is there something we can cancel? Yes, we can cancel 3 and 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So in the numerator, we have 5y and in the denominator, we have 2 into 5y minus 1. So that will be 5y in the numerator. Denominator, multiply these two first. So 2 5s are 10. 10y and then multiply these two. So it will be minus 2 1s are 2. So here you can leave your answer as this itself, or you can go ahead and complete it and write this as your answer. So with this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.